Hi everyone, welcome back to the RequestResponse channel. Today we are diving into the core of API's CRUD operations. CRUD stands for the following operations: create, read, update, and delete. The building blocks of almost every API. By the end of this video, you will see how each operation works live using a simple API endpoint. Let's jump in. So far, you have learned how to send a simple GET request to retrieve the users list. You are basically asking the server, hey, give me this information. Let's try to execute it. We got response and status code 200 OK, typical for the GET method. If you want a deeper dive into GET requests and how to retrieve data from an API, check out our previous video. Let's start with the POST method now, used to create a new data. In Bruno, click on New Request, name it Create User, select POST as a method, and paste URL. Create it. Now let's switch to the body tab. Select JSON format and paste in the following data: email, password, name, and avatar. Send click, and you will see 201 created status code and response. This means the user was successfully created on the mock API. You will also see a unique ID and timestamp returned in the response. This is a great way to verify that the request worked correctly. Now, let's move forward and update data. We use put to replace a user's info. Put method is like saying, here is the full updated user. Replace the old one. Let's create a new request. Name it update user. Select a put as a method and paste our URL. Click Create. Now, let's back to our post method. Copy our ID 107 and paste it at the end of our URL. Now we specified that we want to update exactly user with ID 107. Now let's switch to body tab, select JSON format, and paste this value. Click Send. And you will see status code 200 in the response, along with updated data, name, avatar, and timestamp as well, here. Finally, let's create the last one method, delete, to delete a user. So let's name it delete user. Select a delete as a method. Paste our URL with ID 107. Click Create. Now just simple click Send and notice the response. True with status code 200. OK. This tells us the request succeeded and the user was deleted successfully. Since there is a mock API, no real data is removed, but it behaves exactly as a real API would. And that's it. Here is a quick recap of our lesson. CRUD operations stand for POST, create new data, GET, read data, PUT, update data, and delete, to delete data. These four operations are the foundation of working with APIs. Once you understand CRUD, you can interact with almost any API out there. If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe. In the next video, we will explore how to test CRUD operations with JavaScript and Bruno, which is the next big step in becoming an API Pro.